Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 John Deere tractor is setting new benchmarks in farming technology, combining power, efficiency, and cutting-edge innovation. Designed for modern agricultural needs, this tractor is equipped with advanced features that enhance productivity while maintaining John Deere's reputation for durability and reliability. Powered by a high-performance engine, the 2025 model offers impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on horsepower. Its improved transmission system ensures smooth operation, making it easier for farmers to handle various tasks such as plowing, planting, and hauling. The tractor's ergonomic design, featuring a spacious and comfortable cabin, reduces operator fatigue, allowing for long hours of efficient work in the field. One of the standout features of the 2025 John Deere tractor is its integration of smart farming technology. With GPS guidance, automated steering, and real-time data monitoring, farmers can optimize field work with precision. The connectivity options enable seamless integration with John Deere's digital platforms, providing insights into fuel usage, engine performance, and maintenance alerts. This ensures timely servicing, reducing downtime and increasing operational efficiency. Durability remains a top priority, with robust construction and high-quality materials ensuring longevity even in harsh farming conditions. The tractor's hydraulic system has been upgraded to provide better lifting capacity, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Additionally, the easy-to-use controls and intuitive interface make it accessible for both experienced operators and newcomers. The 2025 John Deere tractor is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and farmer-friendly solutions. Whether you're managing a small farm or a large agricultural operation, this tractor delivers unmatched performance, efficiency, and convenience. With its blend of traditional reliability and modern advancements, it's a game-changer in the farming industry, promising a more productive and sustainable future for farmers worldwide.